Hey guys, alright, so today I'm gonna be trying something I just happened to see and I was like, I gotta get this would be great, because I just did an Airhead video. This is Tropical Cherry Explosion. It was in one of those like 5-packs where they just have like their strawberry, green apple, whatever else. Those flavors are good too. I don't like that you can only get them in like those very few spread small packs versus the big box, because you can get 60 of those $10 versus a pack of 5 is like $2 almost. Like, that's wild. I'm expecting cherry and pineapple in this because that's what it shows. Whoa, it looks and smells exactly like cherry. Maybe a little bit off-put. So I'm recording the video sideways because if it is horizontal, it will force it to be a short. I said that wrong. Vertical is up and down. If I have it horizontal, it won't be made into a short. Because now shorts go up to 3 minutes. Hey. Smell like cherry? Definitely has a pineapple taste. The first initial hit was an explosion of I don't know what flavor. Not a favorite. Yeah. It does taste like pineapple a little bit. Smells like cherry. And there is an explosion of flavor when you first bite into it. It's not great. If I was going to grab one, I probably wouldn't actually go for this. If it was just the pineapple taste, okay, but there's like a weird undertaste, and when you first initially get into tasting it, it's like, I don't know, it's just some off candy taste. So I'll probably give it a 6 out of 10. Thank you guys for watching.